Net brand 2.7mm Cortical screws self-tapping. These screws are used for fixation of plates having holes of 2.7mm diameter and are used with 2mm drill bit and mini hexagonal screwdriver with sleeve 2.5mm. Self-tapping feature eliminates the use of bone tap. 2.7mm cortical screws are used to fix mini fragment plates. These screws are available in lengths varying from 6 to 30 mm and are available in stainless steel and titanium.
Narang Medical Limited follows international quality standards to offer the best quality product. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration. High technology machines are used for better production and faster deliveries. For more information, you may log on to www.narang.com or www.ortho.in.